I got my sunscreen.
I don't burn, I tan. Oh, hey.
That's where you wanna go to get away from it all. Bodies in the sand. Tropical drink melting in your...
Yeah, that'll be $5.
Guys, seriously? Ugh. Alright, fine, guys. I'll pay again. Oh, yeah, guys!
Yeah.
I'm so excited. We are finally at the beach!
So everyone got their swimsuits ready?
Oh, yeah.
Woo, I'm ready.
What?
Oh, gosh.
Todd? Todd? Woo!
Dang, I haven't played football since last time I was at the beach. Oh!
397, 398. I gotta get ripped for beach day.
Todd, it's already beach day.
Ah!
Hey, do you want to play frisbee with us? Oh my gosh! Yeah, I'm going swimming! Belly flop! I'm open, pass me the ball!
Raiders!
Ah, Raiders suck!
Hey, come and bury me.
I'm on it, Todd! Yes!
OMG, I'm totally a believer.
No way, me too!
No!
Oh.
Guys, this ain't funny. Guys, I need some help.
Todd, I can't move though. I would help you, but I can't move.